Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Cardano ADA. Right now we're seeing $1.23, and we're seeing a lot of movement in the market. Obviously, a lot of downturn and a lot of dipping going on. If we take a look at the last 24 hours across the board, we're seeing about a 0.46% decrease. Bitcoin below 47K, Ethereum below 4K, actually below about 3.8K, continuing to find its really bottom there. I want to take a look though at Cardano and talk a little bit more about the future of Cardano, where we could see the price prediction for the end of the year, the end of the bull market. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on to stay up to date with all things crypto as well as Cardano. Let's jump though into the first really kind of bullish article. And this one talks about Cardano's ADA really price eyeing that 30% rally with a potential triple bottom setup. The only glitch in the bullish setup for now remains the Federal Reserve taper acceleration plan. So Cardano may actually rally near that 30% in the coming days as it forms a classic bullish reversal pattern. The sharp ADA rebound underway, dubbed triple really bottom, and the pattern typically occurs at the end of a downturn and consists of 3 consecutive lows printed roughly atop the same level. So a lot of accumulation going on right now during this $1.20 range, and a lot of people excited about this $1.20 because of the idea of how much really ADA they're able to actually pick up, and then also start staking that with Cardano and making that 4 to 5% really passive income over the year. So a lot of great potential there. I want to jump into a few tweets before we jump into anything else regarding the price, though. So let's jump into a few tweets. But I do want to kind of mention, guys, the last month for Cardano has actually seen a 40.21% decrease. And if you take a look at the last year, we came from our all-time high push around smart contracts time, September 1st, 8 p.m., around $3.10. Now at $1.23. So a great price point to actually jump on board if you guys are looking to find new, really entry points. Cardano's at a solid one now. We have more to look into, like I said, on Twitter. So Alexandra Huck talked about Cardano has hit 1 million active wallets that are participating in staking ADA. Sunday Swap has rolled out its first Cardano's DEX on public testnet, and so many more milestones incoming. The growth of really Cardano is inevitable, and a lot of us believe in that. So that was about 7 days ago. We saw December 7th. She tweeted that one out. But there's a lot more great ecosystem highlights. So here we see a productive week for Cardano despite the crash of BTC. More testnet and partnerships. We actually saw ERC20 converter as well coming, and that's going to be a huge deal. ADA is still above the $1 line, and no more stable coin joke. So we can actually see more on this Cardano ecosystem highlight, W490. You can see the Cardano news, the number of the week. So above $1 is the price to still hold, as we want to stay above $1, or we could be looking at a bearish market for at least Cardano. I want to jump though back over to another article before we jump into what I would consider a big deal as the prices continue to really kind of decline. I want to give you guys price predictions, but the big thing we're seeing here with FX Street is Cardano price to recover as ADA is held by critical support. And that's something a lot of us are excited about. Critical support being that $1.18. Cardano price action sees bulls defending S1 monthly support at that $1.18. So ADA price looks ready for a bullish signal as it continues testing the red ascending trend line. And we can also expect a rally that could quickly pop back up towards that $1.80 if all things go well. I want to jump though over to Hotfill. So this is going to be a little kind of sponsored segment here in today's video. And if you guys are interested, I will have all links down in the description below. So the biggest thing is, with Metaverse and Web 3.0 becoming the new buzzword in the blockchain area, decentralized storage definitely is one of the most important infrastructures of Metaverse and Web 3.0. So Filecoin definitely is a promising project in the crypto world. So that's why so many people are buying and holding FIL, because FIL is not like GameFi or DeFi, which you can stake, which you can, I guess I should say, staking, providing liquidity, playing games, or further enlarging your holdings. For many FIL holders, they can only put their FIL into a cold wallet for a long time holding. Filecoin cloud mining product can then be really a great product in the sense for a long-term hold, as you can use your Filecoin to really buy a FIL or FIL cloud mining product. The ROI is 120 now, which means 50 FIL investment, you can get 110 FIL when the mining ends. So a really, really convenient way to mine. And that's what they're all about here. You can see some of the features being fast, convenient, and secure. So Hotfill is one of the really is a one-stop Filecoin storage power service provider. Buying cloud storage power products on Hotfill today, start earn cryptocurrency rewards immediately. So start earning those rewards very, very quickly. And that's exactly what I want to kind of mention with Hotfill, because like I said, crypto is all about passive income in some aspects, and that's exactly what you're seeing with Cardano, seeing that 4 to 5% income possibility, and then you see the same thing here with Hotfill. So a lot of great potential behind some passive income possibilities and opportunities in the crypto space. You can see more about Hotfill in the links provided below down in the description. There's a lot of reasons as to why people are interested. And you can see this video here on how to earn passive income on Hotfill. It's very, very simple. They actually just kind of walk you through it on this YouTube video. I'm not going to jump too much through it, but they actually show you the app and everything that kind of makes it just easy to use. And this is exactly why this is going to be a big deal with Web 3.0 and GameFi doing so many big deals and things here in the last couple of weeks and months. I want to jump, though, back over to Cardano and talk about the end of the year price prediction and the end of the bull market price prediction. So if we actually jump back to this article here, we talked about that Cardano ADA price eyeing that 30% rally with a potential triple bottom setup. Well, the sharp ADA rebound is potentially underway. So let's jump back and talk about, like I said, where are we headed for the end of this year and the end of the bull market? You can see right now with this last really 24-hour period, nothing's really happened. Just continue to see volatility around $1.20, $1.22, $1.23, and that just means we're staying above that $1.18 that we need to be staying above. So that's really all we need to be seeing. We also see the trading activity being 76% buy, 24% sell. A lot of people are still trying to buy Cardano at this low price, and a lot of people realize that this is a one-time deal. When it comes to dips in the market, we don't know. There could always be more dips. Realistically, though, Cardano, if it doesn't break below $1.18, this could be a new reassurance that we aren't going to see that break below $1.18. So $1.23, very, very close to the lowest you may be able to get here in the next couple of weeks. I want to talk about the end of the bull market, though. So the end of the bull market is going to obviously be a big, big factor, as the end of the year, not so much anymore, with the market being kind of not bearish, but at the same time, not bullish for the end of the year. A lot of people suggest that we're just going to continue to see this kind of consolidation and just really prices not doing much movement for the good. And I think that's going to continue to remain. So by the end of the bull market, that's going to be the price that I think Cardano is actually going to be able to burst out and see anywhere between a $6 to $10 price point by the end of 2022 or 2023's bull market, depending on how long that bull market does last. But we will keep you guys up to date here on the channel throughout it all. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on. I'll see you guys all in the next one.